Good morning. Heavy snow blankets upper regions. Seoul received more than 10 centimeters of snow overnight, causing a messy Thursday morning commute. Precipitation has died down in most places and should let up today, but those in Gangwon-do need to brace for more snowfall. Central regions are still under heavy snow alerts, with a heavy snow warning in place for the east of Gangwon-do Province. And until tomorrow, mountainous regions in Gangwon-do could see up to 30 centimeters of heavy snowfall, and the rest of Gangwon-do could see 2 to 15 centimeters of snow. Meanwhile, certain parts of the country will receive on and off rain through Friday under cloudy skies. Now, Subzero temperatures to start off the day in the capital, but rising to 4 degrees Celsius by the afternoon. Jeju at 11 degrees with on and off rain in the forecast through the weekend. Now, especially those traveling from the south to northern regions today, be prepared for messy roads and please stay safe. That's Korea for you, and here's a look at the international weather conditions.